Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Auto Suggest Dropdown. Auto Suggest dropdowns are dynamic suggestions shown while typing into a input field. Common examples are Google search suggestions, city, location search, email, user search, product search. Important points are suggestions are loaded dynamically. They are usually built using div, list tag, UL tag, and span tag. Select class does not work. We must type text, wait for suggestions, iterate and click the required options. Here in the sample script, I am typing into the input field. Suggestions appear dynamically. They are not select action options. Now I am capturing all suggestions. I am clicking the required suggestion. Here if you see, I am selecting Selenium download. So let me run, then you will have better understanding. First, Google page is there, and if you see Selenium download is there, it will try to click on the Selenium download. It will click on the Selenium download. So if you see here, it has clicked, and if you see, it has navigated to different page. So here it is working as expected. So auto suggest option selected. It selected the Selenium dropdown. If I suppose Selenium cannot automate this one, so I need to manually do this operation. So since it see Selenium download option selected, auto suggest option is working as expected. Since that captcha cannot be automated, so manually I have done. But before that, the click event was done by Selenium. This is how auto suggest dropdowns are handled in Selenium. Auto suggest dropdowns are dynamic UI components. Select class never works for auto suggest. You need to wait, iterate through the text, and click on the correct element.